FAQs about Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant. If you're like me, you might be curious about Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant, also known as the Henfield Brilliant Sunrose. This perennial is a stunning addition to any garden, known for its vibrant blooms and hardy nature. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you understand everything you need to know about this plant. What is Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant? Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant is a compact, evergreen perennial that belongs to the Cistaceae family. It's also commonly referred to as sunrose or rock rose. The plant is native to the Mediterranean region and is valued for its brilliant, bright red flowers that bloom from late spring to early summer. Its small, evergreen leaves make it an attractive ground cover that remains vibrant year-round. How to care for Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant. Caring for Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant is relatively straightforward, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Light. This plant thrives in full sun. It needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to produce its characteristic blooms. Soil. Well-draining soil is crucial. Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant prefers sandy or gravelly soil, but can tolerate loamy soils as long as they drain well. Watering. Water the plant moderately. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant. However, during prolonged dry periods, regular watering will help maintain its health. Fertilization. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer in early spring. Avoid over-fertilizing as it can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Pruning. Light pruning after the blooming period helps to maintain the plant's shape and encourages new growth. How to propagate Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant. Propagating Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant is an easy process. You can propagate it through seed or cuttings. Seeds. Sow seeds in spring after the last frost. Use a seed-starting mix and keep them in a sunny location. Germination typically takes a few weeks. Cuttings. Take semi-hardwood cuttings in late summer. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant in a well-draining mix. Keep the cuttings in a warm, bright area until roots develop. What to plant with Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant. Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant pairs beautifully with a range of companion plants. Consider mixing it with lavender. Its purple blooms contrast nicely with the red flowers of Helianthemum. Sedum. Sedum's succulent foliage complements the sunrose's hardy nature. Thyme. Thyme's low-growing habit and aromatic leaves make a perfect ground cover alongside sunrose. Benefits of Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant. Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant offers several benefits. Low maintenance. Once established, it requires minimal care and is highly drought-resistant. Attractive blooms. Its bright red flowers add vibrant color to any garden. Evergreen foliage. The plant's leaves provide year-round interest. Is Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant toxic? Good news for pet owners. Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant is not known to be toxic to pets or humans. It's a safe choice for gardens where children and animals play. Common problems with Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant. While Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant is generally trouble-free, it can occasionally face a few issues. Root rot. Poorly draining soil can lead to root rot. Ensure your soil has excellent drainage to prevent this problem. Pest infestations. Watch for aphids and spider mites, which can sometimes affect the plant. Regular inspection and appropriate treatments can manage these pests. Comparing Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant with similar plants. If you're considering alternatives or comparing Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant with other similar plants, here are a few options. Helianthemum Wisley Pink. This variety offers pink flowers and similar care requirements, but has a more delicate appearance. Cistus Sunset, also known as rock rose. This plant has larger flowers and is slightly less hardy, but shares the same Mediterranean charm. Conclusion. Helianthemum Henfield Brilliant is a fantastic plant for any garden enthusiast looking to add vibrant color and hardy greenery. With its low-maintenance care and stunning blooms, it's a versatile choice that complements many garden designs. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this plant offers a beautiful and practical addition to your garden.